Reddit and message boards in general are nothing new. However, when you have a pandemic on your hands and masses of bored people sitting at home on their phones, combined with generationally low interest rates, zero-cost fractional share purchases, and stimulus checks sitting in bank accounts, we had the perfect scenario for the gamification and exploitation of targeted loopholes. Now, don't be fooled. This isn't quite the David versus Goliath story that it's made out to be in the media. It's more likely a case of David plus Goliath versus Goliath, as there are likely many sophisticated hedge funds and professionals on both sides of the short squeeze. Now, the speculative frenzy in GameStop and AMC has already begun to abate, just as we assumed it would, because in the end, it comes down to fundamentals. But more importantly than fundamentals, it comes down to human nature. This was your classic game of prisoner's dilemma. If every retail investor that had bought those stocks held onto their long positions and continued to buy more, then theoretically, they could have continued to drive the stocks higher and send the shorts running for the exits. But the incentive structure is such that no one wants to be left holding the bag. So greed and self-interest dictated the run for the exits. So what are the ramifications? Firstly, short sellers will be less vocal in their positions so as to not draw attention by retail mobs. Second, this is yet another signpost along with SPACs and Bitcoin of froth in the market, which has to be monitored, as well as the potential that these actions erode confidence in the market, which could hurt overall sentiment. And finally, three, do expect additional regulations to come into effect after the fact. But other than those and a little bit of excitement, markets will move on to the next big thing like they always do, and GameStop will become a tiny footnote in history.